Places where computers are used.
Let us learn about the places where computers are used.
At school. Teachers use computers to teach in school. They also use the computer to prepare test papers, mark sheets, and report cards. At home. At home, computers are used to make projects and play games. Elders can also shop for things using internet while sitting at home. In offices, computers are used to maintain records, send messages, etc. In banks, computers are used to maintain records of money and customers. In hospitals, doctors use computers to create and study medical reports of the patients. In shops, shopkeepers use computers to create bills and maintain records of the items in the shop.